Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to remove and install your rear tail light bulbs. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so now that we're inside the trunk area, you can see this plastic door right here. We're going to take this out, and that's going to give us access to where the bulb is. I'm going to use something as simple as this. It's just a small flat screwdriver, nothing special. I'm going to try to pry this out, just like that. You can see you've got a little latch here and there. Those just go inside there. This area right here is held on by these. Now you have a clear view of what's going on inside. Okay, so your reverse light is the bottom bulb on your lamp assembly, so you can see it all the way down there. I'm just going to grab that. I'm going to give it a little twist counterclockwise, and we should be able to remove it. Hardest part's just getting your hand in there. Just grab it, twist it, pull it out. There's our bulb. Now all you do is just pull it right out. Take a look at it. If you see that filament's burnt or looks like it's kind of starting to build up crystals on it, or maybe it's even broken, you'd want to replace this bulb. This one looks fairly decent, but if you were going to replace it, this is a 921 bulb. Let's assume that you're replacing it. You're just going to take your new bulb, stick it right in here like this. That looks pretty good. You'll notice on this right here, you've got kind of a thick one, thin, and thin. Take a peek in there. We're going to line up the thick one with the thick hole. Give it a nice little twist to the right. Give it a wiggle. Make sure it's locked in. That looks great. Awesome. So now you would just test it, make sure it works. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the directional bulb. It's located right up here. You can see that there's little tabs. You're going to grab it, turn it counterclockwise until it unlocks. Just gonna reach up, give it a little twist, and here's our bulb. Pull this right out of here. All right, so this bulb right here is a 5964. When you look inside the glass, you can see the filament going across from one prong to the other. If you notice that filament's broken, or it has a whole bunch of crusties building up on it, you'd want to replace this bulb. Also, if you happen to notice that the glass is discolored or swollen in any way. This one looks good. We're just going to take it, put it into our bulb socket, just like that. Give it a nice tug, make sure it doesn't fall out. If it falls out easy, more than likely it's going to fall out into your lens assembly and cause an issue. So now we're just going to take this, and we're going to put it back into the tail lamp assembly. Just going to turn it until I can find where it wants to latch in. Let's go this way a little bit. I heard it click in. I'm going to give it a nice little wiggle. Take a peek. That looks great. Now we just test the bulb, make sure that your directional works. Assuming it works, what you would do next is put on this cover. So now to reinstall the cover, we're just going to do like I told you before. We've got these little tabs. They just kind of go right in here. And we're going to grab this. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.